Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. This week we're going to talk about some pretty spiffy screwdrivers. That's right, spiffy. Those clever people up in the Czech Republic there at Narex make these very, very spiffy, that's two spiffies now if you're playing along, screwdrivers. They make them in the Phillips, the standard, good old Pete Robertson's design from back in the day, and the Pozi as well. I like these because they are simply steel and timber and brass and a little bit of leather, and there's no plastic in there whatsoever, except maybe if you want to be pedantic, in theory, there's probably a bit of epoxy holding these all together in there, which is plastic when it cures, I guess. But for the most part, it's a plastic-free screwdriver. One of the very interesting things about these is it's all one piece. You can see like it started out hexagonal and was actually milled down to round, and then the end was cut in later. But this bit here, this hexagonal design right next to the handle here, my good friend Gary Rizzolo pointed out the other day, is set such that you can take just your standard wrench or spanner, you know, and stick it in there and get some extra leverage on there. Another clever way to do it would be to get something that ratchets, just to make it, you know, less effort to do the same thing, which is always a good thing to do. But wait, there's more. They also come in a boxed set here. Cue the choir of Seraphim. Very handy, very slick little set here. You know, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screwdrivers. We could probably do that without me counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It comes with your slot heads and your Phillips and a couple Pozis in there. And it's everything you need to know, and it's in a nice little wooden box, and the box looks pretty. There you go, Narex's super spiffy screwdriver set. Or a set of super spiffy screwdrivers, depending on how you want to think of it. Either way is the exact same thing. For more information, check the links down below in the doobly-doo. There will be a link to this box set in particular, as well as the entire website in general, as well as some of our social media stuff, and maybe even my own channel, so you can come follow me. Follow me here. If this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and all that YouTube-y stuff. You know how this works. Ring the bell, get the emails. You'll know what's going on. I'm still Phil, and I'll see you when I see you. I'm gonna go this way, because that way there's crap in the way. Oop, there's a light voice.